Good day everyone. Today we are talking about Module 10, Graphing Lines. So we're going to start with reviewing what is slope-intercept form. And that is right, it is y equals mx plus b. But most importantly, what letter is the slope? And that is m. And then the other question is, what letter is the y-intercept? And if it's not m, it's b. But the question is, what is the y-intercept? When we think about a graph, what is the y-intercept? And that is the place where the graph crosses the y-axis. And again, the y-axis is the one that goes up and down. So when we look at this first example, y equals 2x minus 3, our slope is our m value, which right there is our m, so our slope is 2. Or what some people like to do it as a fraction, so they'll write it as 2 over 1. Our y-intercept is our b value, which in this case is negative 3. Again, the sign goes with the number that follows it. Alright, so when we go to graph, we're going to start at our y-intercept. So in this case, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to make a point. From there, we're going to count up our slope, which is 2 over 1. So we're going to go up 2 over 1 and make another point. And then we want 3 points for a line. So we're going to go up 2 to the right 1 again and make a point. And now using a straight edge, now this could be the edge of your notebook, edge of a planner. If you have a ruler, that's even better. I'm going to make a couple extra dots because I don't have a straight edge on me. But so you're going to go through your points using your straight edge, and then you're going to extend it all the way to the edge of the graph and then put arrows because your graph, this line, doesn't end where you stop drawing it. Alright, our next example. And what some people will do is we'll start with the y-intercept. In this case, 4. Again, that y value, or that b value at the end. And then we're going to go to our graph, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, if it helps you to label your axes, y is the one that goes up and down, x is the one that goes side to side. So you're going to start at your y-intercept every single time. From there, you're going to do your slope, which in this case is negative 2. Or we could say negative 2 over 1. Again, any integer that's not in a fraction is a fraction over 1. So from this 4, where we started, we're going to go down 2 to the right 1. And then we're going to go from that point down 2 and to the right 1. And then you're going to take your straight edge and draw a line that goes through those points. Again, drawing an arrow on the end. If you feel confident you know what you're doing, you can pause the video and try the next two on your own and check back. Otherwise, I'm going to keep going through it. Y-intercept, again, your second number, so negative 5. So we're going to go down to negative 5 and make a point. From there, our slope is 2/3. So we're going to go up 2 to the right 3. Again, our denominator is how far to the right we go. Our top number tells you how far up or down. Up if it's positive, down if it's negative. So up 2 to the right 3 again. And then again, grabbing your straight edge, line up your 3 points, and drawing that line that goes through your points to the edge of your graph, and then using arrows, because again, it is a line. It does not end where you stop drawing it. Our last one, our y-intercept is positive 2. So we're going to go to 2 on the y-axis. Our slope, we can see, is negative 4/3. So from here, we're going to go down 4, right 3. Down 4, right 3. And again, grab your straight edge, draw the line that goes through those points, extend it all the way to the edge of your graph, draw arrows showing that it continues. Complete the rest of this worksheet, and when you have finished it, turn it in to your teacher.